Greetings to you all. Welcome to Class 9 English Bridge Course Workbook. Worksheet number 12. Unit 4 Grammar Modal Verbs. So, dear children, today we are going to solve worksheet number 12. It's a very simple only modal verbs like can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, dare, used, must, ought to. Okay. So, we have modal verbs plus semi-modal verbs. Fine, we'll just discuss it. Already have studied. Roman number 1. Choose the correct option. 1 dash move with the times. So, may, must, can. So, இதில் எல்லாமே போட்டாலும் it will be suiting only. எல்லாம் கரெக்டாக ஃபிட் ஆகிற மாதிரி தோணும் சரியா. 1 must move with times or one may or one can. So one can move with times. இதில் ரெண்டு போட்டால் கூட it will not be a big mistake. எல்லாம் பெரிய தப்பெல்லாம் ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. It will quite match only. Second question. Sorry, I dash come yesterday. Sorry, I didn't have to or couldn't or need not. So sorry, I couldn't come yesterday. Third question. You look sick. You dash see a doctor. So options are may, can, should. You look sick. You should see a doctor. Second Roman number. Choose the correct modal verb. Fourth question. They say it dash rain tomorrow. So you have the options might and can. They say it might rain tomorrow. Fifth question. I don't know. I dash be late. So the options are couldn't and may. I don't know. I may be late. Sixth question. She might dash be able to help us. She is not available. So the options are might not or won't. So the answer is she won't be able to help us. She is not available. Fine, children? Okay. Fourth Roman number. Identify the incorrect auxiliary verbs and rewrite the sentence with correct auxiliary verbs. So, something is missing or ஏதோ ஒரு incorrect-ஆ இருக்கிறது, you have to correct it correctly. Seventh question. They is helping us with the decorations. So, they na நிறைய பேர். So, is வருமா? வராது. So, they are helping us with the decorations. Eighth. Have you going this evening? So, வருமா அது? Have you going? வராது. Are you going this evening? Okay, children. Fifth Roman number. Complete the sentence with auxiliary verb. Ninth question. We complain if the service does not improve. So, அப்போ இங்கே வந்து we will complain if the service does not improve. இப்போ you have to add one will. Otherwise you can tell we are going to complain if the service doesn't improve, or we have to complain if the service doesn't improve. Like that you can use it. Okay. Okay. Sixth Roman number. Rewrite the following sentence in past form using modals. 10th question. You may understand his explanation. You might understand his explanation. 7th question. Write a sentence with the following modal verb. 11th one. Ought to. Ought to na meaning naka அது கண்டிப்பாக அது வந்து ஒரு நம்மளோட கடமை. இது மஸ்ட்டு ஷுட்டு அதெல்லாம் கிடையாது. அதையும் தாண்டி ஓகே வி ஆட் டு ஒபே டிராஃபிக் ரூல்ஸ், வி ஆட் டு ஒபே ஆர் எல்டர்ஸ், அந்த மாதிரி ஆட் டு கண்டிப்பாக பண்ணணுங்கிறது. சரி, ரைட் சென்டென்ஸ் பண்ணலாமா? யூ ஆட் டு லிசன் டு த எல்டர்ஸ். யூ ஆட் டு ஒபே டிராஃபிக் ரூல்ஸ். யூ ஆட் டு ரெஸ்பெக்ட் த டீச்சர்ஸ், அந்த மாதிரி. Okay, 9th Roman number. Complete the sentence with need to or have to. இப்போ need to இல்லை have to வச்சு எழுதணும். 12th question. Alas, my house is in a mess. I really clean a bit. So, alas, my house is in a mess. I have to clean a bit. Okay, fine, children. 10th Roman number. Read the following situation and create a sentence using modals. Okay, example. Question. We are going to Chennai next week. Make a suggestion for the visit. Okay. So answer is we could visit beach. 13th question. Preeti has got a headache and fever. Give some advice. Advice கொடுக்கலாமா? அப்போ Preeti, you must take tablets. இல்லை Preeti, you must விசிட் அ ஃபிசிஷியன். அது ஒரு அட்வைஸ் கொடுக்குறோம், நீ கண்டிப்பாக போயிடணும், யூ ஷுட் டேக். அதை யூ கேன் யூஸ் மஸ்ட், ஷுட், இந்த மாதிரி எதாவது போட்டுக்கலாம். 14th question, you want to borrow your uncle's watch. Ask for permission politely. இது பொலைட்டாக பெர்மிஷன் கேட்குறீங்க, ஒரு வாட்ச் கொடுப்பீங்களாங்கிறதுக்கு. ஸோ யூ கேன் யூஸ் could, would, like that. So uncle, could you please give me your watch? Okay. So 11th Roman number, write a brief narration about something interesting that happened to you recently. What happened? How it affected you? What did you learn from it? ஓகே, ஒரு நரேஷன், என்ன நடந்தது ரீசெண்டாக, எப்படி இது உங்களுக்கு பாதிக்கப்பட்டது, அது என்ன, அதில் இருந்து என்ன லேர்ன் பண்ணியிருக்கிறீங்க. யூஸ் அட்லீஸ்ட் 5 different auxiliary verbs in your narrative and circle them. ஓகே, சரி, இப்போ ஒரு இன்சிடென்ட் எழுதுகிறோம். I was traveling in a train. auxiliary verb was இங்கே இருக்குது. Suddenly I was very sick. இல்லைன்னா எனக்கு உடம்பு சரியில்லாமல் ஆயிடுச்சு. I was, அதுவும் இருக்குது. And I got seizure. I did not know what to do. Some passengers and TT came to help me. They have advised me to take some tablets. Fortunately, a doctor was present. The kind doctor gave some tablets. They also advised me not to travel alone. At last, we were happy. I am really happy and lucky to have such good friends in the society. Okay, இதில் am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, do, does, did இது எல்லாமே வரணும். நீங்கள் நல்லா அழகாக எழுதிக்கோங்க, சரிங்களா? Fine children. And when you write the answer in the book, do not see the video. Okay, you can use your mind. படித்தது வச்சு தான் ஆன்சர் எழுதணும், அப்படியே காப்பி அடித்து எழுதக்கூடாது. ஃபைன். And if you want solutions for other worksheets, you can see